So in this video, I'll be teaching you how to use PhotoRoom app to remove your image background. It has other functions as well, but for the purpose of this video, we're talking about how to remove your background completely using PhotoRoom AI. And the good thing about this app is that it removes background. It makes it so clean. I love it so much. First thing you're going to do is go to App Store, Play Store, type in PhotoRoom just like it's written here. PhotoRoom, just type it in. It's showing like this because I already downloaded it. So in your own case, it will show install or download. So once you're done downloading, allow it for a few minutes. Once it's done, then you click on open. It's going to take you to, that's the PhotoRoom app. All right, so there are options that you can play around with. You can just go around and have different options there that you can actually use, without starting from the size that you want. You can do a lot of things like create logos, virtual model, different things. Like, it's a great app and it's free. I'll be using the transparent option. If you look at the classic here, you see that it has options like if you want your image to have a white background, a black background, transparent background, original image. So I'm going to click on this transparent to insert. So look for the image that you want to use, click on see all, then scroll down to where your image is at, and then let's say I want to use this image right here. Once I click on it, it's going to scan it and automatically remove the background. Wow. Then you click on export. It will automatically save. Can you see it has been saved to the camera roll, and that's how you make use of it. So once you go to your camera roll, you will see that you already have it. Imagine, see how clean it is. Yeah, so that's this is the transparent background. And if you want to change the background to another color, you can do that as well. Okay, so if you aren't already signed in, like me now, I'm not signed in, so I can just decide to sign into PhotoRoom so that I can have more options. So I'm going to click on the sign in with Google. So once I click on that, it's going to load. Then I can choose any of my email that I would like to use. So it's going to load, and then it gives more access to the tools. That's just basically the advantage of signing in, and then you can keep your record of things that you already done before. Okay, awesome. So because I already signed in, that's why I can see the record of what I've done. So that's just how to use PhotoRoom app. I recommend it completely. Thank you guys for watching again. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. As always, I'm Abby, and I'll see you in the next video.